She my number one, I don't need nothing on the side. Said that I would.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'll be doing an unboxing of yet another iPhone. This is the iPhone 13 Pro Max. I ended up going with the iPhone yet again for another rotation after the 11 Pro Max. So let's get into this unboxing. This is the 1 terabyte model. I have not had this much storage ever in a phone. This is the max storage that you could get. Like I've been seeing a lot of like storage problems with my phone because I edit all my videos on it. If you haven't watched my vlogs, go ahead and watch them because all of them have been edited and filmed with the iPhone 11 Pro Max. So I was just like, I need to get more storage, and this is what I did. So, oh my goodness. Here's the box. Oh, that has my information on it. Don't look at that. My whole phone number. Do you see how different the box is? Nice and slender. Okay, let's get into it. Okay, I gotta keep watching for my camera because for some reason it wants to shut off on me. Oh my goodness. Do you guys see that? This thing is heavy. Wait, so this phone doesn't come with the fast charger? That's why the box is so slender. Sorry, my mom's right there. So here is the phone, the Sierra Blue model. Let's try to zoom in on it. Wow. Let's get this part off. Ooh, this is so beautiful. So we're gonna compare it to my 11 Pro Max. I think this could be a good upgrade if you're coming from an 11. I also haven't, tested it out, seen if it's good or not. But I just assume, because I think it has a better battery life because I've been messing up with my battery lately. Here's the two phones next to neck and neck. The size comparison, they seem to be pretty similar in size. But the thickness, the new one is definitely thicker and, what's the word? Heavier. So yeah. And I've never had a blue, I haven't had any color phone. So this is my first color phone as well. Thank you, Mom. And I already got a case for it, as you guys could see here. Let's just put that on right away. Wow, it's booting up. So yeah, my review of the iPhone 11, like it's definitely done me a good job. Like the picture quality. After the 13 came out though, I did start seeing some stuttering problems. Like I couldn't even like film. Well, my storage was messing up. I started deleting all the videos on my phone and still the storage was not reflecting the amount of deletion that I actually computed on this device. So that was weird. So yeah, I did see some hiccups towards the end when this baby got released, but now that I got this is the newest, this is the improved, so hopefully I don't encounter those problems. But yeah guys, this was a quick little unboxing video. Let me know if you guys want me to do a review on it. I'm really excited to see what this has in store. I just heard the biggest things that come with this phone is a better battery life. It is the heaviest iPhone that they have made. And the screen has like more nits per division, I don't know. So it's a brighter screen and it's a, clearer screen, whatever. So, and I think the camera also got, what's it called? The camera also got some improvements as well. Basically, if you guys can see, I think all of them have the ability to zoom in. So they all have zooming capabilities when the 11 did not have that. Because you could definitely tell the difference between the camera sizes of the phones. But yeah, I don't know how much of a difference a 13 is to a 12. So if you are at a 12, I don't know if you guys should upgrade, but I was at an 11, so oh, it already says set up new iPhone. Hey. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna go set it up and then I might come back. But if I don't, thank you guys so much for watching this quick little unboxing video. There's not much to it. I'm really mad that the phone did not come in with a fast charger. Like, I needed that. Like, I was waiting for that. I got the charger, but it has a C port and I don't have a C port adapter like for a block. So I don't know if I can even charge my phone. And yeah, I got the SIM ejection tool and some little information in this, but that's just like basic stuff. But yeah, guys, I'll get into it, and thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Subscribe if you haven't already. Bye.